Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Twitty and I love talking all things luxury, fashion, beauty, and travel. And today we are talking about one of my favorite things in the whole wide world. We are doing that was a terrible drum roll, but we are doing a Chanel unboxing, which I am so excited about because, I mean, who doesn't love a good Chanel unboxing? But this one is so exciting, like super exciting, because this is a bag that I have been dreaming about for like the past few years and never thought I was gonna get this bag. Like, my mind is blown. I couldn't believe that I came across it. I was just like scrolling Fashionphile, not specifically looking for this bag at all. I came across it in excellent condition for the perfect price. When I tell you guys what I paid for this bag, I think you guys are going to be floored. Like, that is the best part of this video. The bag, and then the price, and then the condition. So I have the bag here. I know that, like, I love watching these unboxings and I hate when people talk and talk and talk and they don't show the bag. So we are gonna unbox it. I received this 2 or 3 days ago, and guys, I'm one of those people that, like, whenever I purchase something, I am hawking the tracking the whole time. Like, every single day, as if I don't know when it's gonna arrive. I waited to unbox this with you guys. I couldn't unbox it at the time because it's been a really crazy, like, busy past couple of days. So I kept like waiting. It's in the box, completely sealed. I was like, I have to wait and open this with you guys because I can't wait to see this bag myself. I found it on Fashionphile. I've never seen this bag. It looked amazing online, but I have no clue if it's actually going to meet my expectations. So I was like, let's do a good old school unboxing where we're gonna open this together, see this bag, see what comes out of here. And I am hoping, I'm like so nervous, I'm fingers crossed that I love this bag, because when I tell you, when you guys see the bag, you're gonna get it. But it's like, this bag has been on my list. I thought it was like gone, and the pre-love prices have been like ridiculous, like prices that I don't want to pay. And so when I found it for this price, I of course had to snag it. And so now I can't wait to see like if it meets my expectations and if I really like fall in love with this bag. I think this is gonna be like my new favorite Chanel bag. Before we get into the unboxing, make sure that you stay tuned to the end of this video because I have a surprise for you guys at the end. So definitely make sure that you stay to the end and find out what the surprise is. And if you haven't already, I think you guys should just give me a thumbs up for waiting 3 days to open this unboxing. How many of you guys can receive a Chanel bag and not open it for days? I'm not at that level yet, so that was a true test to my strength and willpower. So if you can, give your girl a thumbs up just for waiting so that I could share this moment with you guys. All right, so if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And now let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so the bag is finally secured. As you can see, they have it in a nice little Fashionphile dust bag to protect it. And y'all, this bag is so heavy. I can't wait to see it because that is my favorite part about the bag. Wink, wink. If you know, you know. Oh my God. Yeah. Here is the bag. And it has a little Fashionphile tag. Here's the bag, but y'all, here is the best part. It looks like it's just like a little mini square flap. Sorry. Can we get into this chain? Okay, y'all, sorry for all the suspense, but I am just like taking this in because this is my first time seeing the bag. I haven't seen it. I just opened it with you guys, so I'm like trying to film, but I'm also trying to like look at my new baby, and I can't believe this. This is the Chanel Funky Town bag, and this is in the mini size. I think they had a small, medium, large, and a mini, if I'm not mistaken, but this is the mini size, and it is kind of like a mini square flap, but obviously the chain is shorter and it is chunky and beautiful and delicious. Like, that is my favorite part about this bag, but it's also narrower than the mini rectangle, so it's not as wide. but I'll put the dimensions on the screen so that you guys can see the dimensions for this particular bag. But the Funky Town collection was released, I believe, in 2021, and that's when I saw it, and it had all these delicious colors. I saw black, nude, purple, the pink, and then white. I believe that's at least all the colors I've seen. That I know of at least, and I honestly would have been fine with any color from the collection. Like, I just love the Funky Town collection because the Funky Town bags all have this like thick chunky chain, and I just think that's the coolest part of this bag because, you know, like Chanel is known for like its really classic bags, and if you are subscribed to my channel, if you watch any of my videos, you know that my collection is very edgy. It's feminine, it's still classic, but it has like really edgy elements to it. So this bag was like screaming my name because it's like obviously perfect Chanel, but the chunky chain just adds that like edge, that glamour, and it's kind of a rare bag. Like, even though I have loved this bag since 2021, I have never seen anyone like on the street wearing a Funky Town bag. So I've always just had to like YouTube it, Google it to try and get an idea of the images and like what it looks like, and I've been obsessed, but I've never seen it in the boutique. I've never seen it on a person, so this is my first time like really getting to see this collection in person. It was limited edition. I don't believe that they make any other Funky Town bags. Maybe in the future they will, but for now I think all of the bags were released in 2021. So being able to come across this on Fashionphile and for the price that was is absolutely amazing. Also, if you guys haven't had a chance to look yet, I did post my 2024 luxury wish list, and those who know that in that wish list I said on my list I will take any Chanel bag. I'm specifically looking for a baby pink or a white Chanel bag, and at that time I had not purchased this bag. I had not come across it. I know this isn't like baby pink of like what I was thinking. It's more like a salmon pink, but it's still like, come on. Literally within just a couple weeks of me saying that, here I am with a new pink Chanel bag on my doorstep. Like, it doesn't get any better than that. Like, I am just over the moon. So I'm gonna check this bag out. It is lambskin leather, salmon pink. The hardware is the nice aged gold, which I love, and again in this chunky chain and chunky hardware. I'm over here, like, as I'm talking to you guys, I'm peeking at the accents. I see some really cute things, like they have the little Chanel logo actually on the hardware. Like, it's just so adorable. It also looks like there is a flat back pocket, which I love, and then on the inside there is, it's just one opening, and it has one little like card slot. So I think that this is just going to fit flawlessly in my wardrobe. It is perfect. It's just enough size for me. I love a mini bag, so I know I'm not gonna have a problem with this. And then lastly, as I mentioned, I'll show you guys the dimensions. It is not a crossbody bag like the regular mini rectangle is. It is a shorter strap, and it's too long to be like a top handle. So this is definitely something that I'll be wearing on my shoulder, which I love as a shoulder bag. And I just think it is so adorable. I am also going to show you guys what fits in this bag. When I purchase a new bag, I'm someone who wears different bags with like every outfit, so I'm never like wearing the same bag for days at a time. So actually, whenever I purchase a bag, one of my favorite things to do is what I call dressing the bag. So before I even put the bag into my closet, I actually go ahead and stuff the bag with everything that I need, and every single bag that's in my closet is filled with everything, so that whenever I grab a bag, I'm ready to go. The only thing I need to add to it is my keys and maybe my lip gloss or lipstick for that day, but everything else is ready to go. So I love, like, anytime that I get samples or like free gift with purchase or whatever, I just like store those up and stock it into a basket that I have, or a drawer in my closet that has all the things that I need, all of my essentials. And then anytime I get a new handbag, I go in that drawer, pull out my essentials, stuff my bag, and it is ready to go. So we're gonna do that in this video so that you guys can see what all fits in here. I'll also show you if a phone fits and all that good stuff, but I am just, I don't know if you guys can see see the excitement through the screen. Like, I'm so excited. I can't believe that I have this bag. It is unreal. All right, so the first item that I'm gonna put into this bag to see if it fits is my phone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I don't carry my phones in my bag. I always have them out in my hand or in my pocket, but every time I make a video, someone always asks, where do you put your phone? Where do you put your phone? Where do you put your phone? So I'm just going to do this for demonstration purposes, and then we'll take this out and fill it up with stuff that I would normally have in my everyday bag. All right, so as you can see, the iPhone 12 Pro Max fits in there perfectly. It slides right in, and then there is still tons of space. There's still tons of space to fill this up with anything else that you would need. So first, I love always having a pack of tissues. These just come in super handy. I love these flossers. I get them on Amazon, and they're just an individually wrapped flosser, and I have to have these in my bag, so I'm just gonna stuff those in there as well. Then sanitizer. I love having sanitizing wipes because you never know. You may need to sanitize your hands, but you can also clean a yucky surface if you need. And then next, a hand cream. I'm going to put this little compact mirror back here in the back. I always have Tic Tacs or gum, and I love these cute little mini Tic Tacs. And then my everyday lip products, I always have a balm and some sort of gloss. Can we get into how the bag matches my lip gloss perfectly? That is gorgeous. So if you're curious what color the bag is, it matches Dior 030 lip gloss. And then last but not least, I have the perfect slots here for my wallet and keys, so I'm gonna put them there. My everyday wallet is a very old Louis Vuitton key clay, and it also has my keys on it. So we're just gonna slide that in. Look how easily that goes in. Even the keys just tuck right in there, and that is perfect. Nothing's poking out, nothing's bulging, everything fits in perfectly. Lip gloss, lotion, ID, hand wipes. I am good to go. This bag was $29.45 on Fashionphile. I am still mind blown. If you go and look at like Funky Town prices, or if you just compare to like what Chanel classic bags are running for these days, like I know for some people it'll be like, oh my gosh, you're spending $3,000 on a bag. Yeah, okay, but this isn't any bag. It is a Chanel bag, okay? Like getting a Chanel bag, like an actual bag, not a wallet on chain, for less than $3,000 is like unheard of. I think even wallet on chains are now more than $3,000 retail out of the boutique. Like it's just, you don't really find bags for that price. So to be able to find such a beauty like this and in excellent condition is just unheard of. And so I am just like, I don't know what the fashion gods were doing that day, but I appreciate them looking out for me and blessing me with this bag. It is so gorgeous. All right, you guys, so that's the bag. We went through prices, dimensions, fit, and everything that fits in the bag. And I promised you guys at the beginning of this video that I had a surprise for you. So if you waited this far to the end of the video, thank you so much. Love you for that. And the surprise is that I also kind of saw another Chanel bag on Fashionphile for an amazing price, and I kind of had to buy it. So I won't be unboxing it in this video. We'll just leave this as is. But if you have not yet subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can see what's in this beautiful dust bag and see my next Chanel unboxing. If you love unboxings like I do, you guys are gonna love this. You're gonna be so excited about it, and I'm just so glad that I was able to add 2 new Chanel bags to my collection. So let me speak with you guys in the comments below. I just want to hear what your guys' thoughts are on the bag. Were you aware of the Funky Town bag? Do you like it? I know it's different. Like you have like all these heavy chains, and it may not be like your guys' style. It's definitely my style. I love how edgy it is and just how fun and fresh it is. So let me know what your thoughts are. And yeah, if you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.